Hey, we're over here, go to math.com, click on the algebra, let's go down to adding and subtracting. We're adding and subtracting something. Click on that. Simplify f, state the coefficient of the leading term. So we'll want to, we're going to want to simplify that. And that means that we're going to write it down first. 4x to the 5th, 10 plus 8x to the 7th plus 2x to the 5th, 10 plus 8x to the 7th. I don't know, I can't remember. We hadn't done any factoring yet, but I don't believe we have. Can't remember. We got 4x to the 5th power, right, times 10 plus 8x to the 7th, and I'll definitely be second checking this, considering I wrote it down wrong last time, and then 10 plus 8x to the 7th. Okay, so both of these are the same. 4x to the 5th, 2x. Okay, I know that's 2x to the 5th. 4x to the 5th and 2x to the 5th. Okay. Alright, so as you can see here, both of these terms are the same, okay, except, let's use a different color here, except their coefficients are different. Okay, their coefficients are different. But instead of distributing this across inside and doing the same thing over here, and what we can actually do is we can just add these coefficients together and join this up as one big one there, or join these two together. Okay, so that's kind of like the same thing as saying, I'm going to do a little example right here. Let's do a different color. 5y to the 6th plus 7y to the 6th. You notice that both of these powers are the same, so you can just add their coefficients. Okay, same thing, except it's a little bit more complicated down here. So we have 4, 5, 6, 6x to the 5th, and then we have 10 plus 8x to the 7th. Alright, so that's a whole lot easier. Now what we can do is go ahead and distribute this across. So 6x to the 5th times 10 is 60 x to the 5th, and then 6x to the 5th times 8x to the 7th is 6 times 8 is 48. And remember, we're just adding the exponents. And you know what? I'm going to write it like this. I think I didn't do this last couple times. But you notice, so now, since these are multiplied together, we just add their exponents. Okay. And of course, we've got a section on that, I think. Or maybe we don't. Oh, I'm thinking of the rational numbers or something. 7, so what is that? 12. Okay. So let's write this in standard form now. And standard form means we're going to write the one with the largest exponent. 48x to the 12th plus 60x to the 5th. Now, this is the leading coefficient, and of course this is the degree of this polynomial. The degree is 12, and the leading coefficient is 48. And it's asking for state the coefficient of the leading term, and that's going to be 48. Of course, I'm always holding my breath. Click answer there, yeah. Okay, so that ends this section here. Hopefully you've got at least a basic understanding of how to add and subtract polynomials. And we are now going to just move right on down the line into the next section, which is multiplication. Alright, so come on by, check it out. See you later, alligator.